Hello, hello everyone. Welcome today. Today it's a hot day. I think 5 or 6 days in a row, more than 30 degrees, 33, 35 degrees. It's a heat wave, yes, and yeah, Sudokus. I don't know. I'm in for Sudokus in this kind of weather. Anyway, welcome today. In today's newspaper, the daily newspaper of Friday, August the 7th, 2020. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. But we will start with this Sudoku Light, and this one will be number 1300. Yes, 1300. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I'm curious about this one, how many printed numbers, digits are in this Sudoku. We have here 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So 9 times 4 is 36 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I use. How about the number. Let me see. The 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4 digits. All right. We have an 8 in the first row, an 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then, how about the number? The number. All right. 5 in the last row. 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? The number. How about the number 3. Yeah. Well, 2 numbers left in this last column. The numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 and a 4 here, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, alright. How about these 2 numbers in this column? 2 missing numbers, the 1 and the 2 are missing. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2, 3, the 4 and the 9 are missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. That means 1 digit left in this column for the number 7. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with 7. How about this number in this row? 1 missing number should be the 1. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 9. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 1. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. 1 number missing in this column for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, yeah, 2 numbers left. No, I cannot fill this yet. But those are the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4 are missing. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 9. 9, 2 and a 9. That means one digit left in this column should be the number 2. No, 2 and a 9. So this should be the number 4. Correction. Yes. One number left in this row for the number 2. One number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 and 9. 9 and 4. And these two. 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now I have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Now I have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. This should be the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. The number 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. A Light Sudoku Light. Yes, if you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button for future uploads. Yes, thank you. I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku heavy. So see you later, and bye bye for now.